Gabby with the Style Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a t-shirt to make it smaller. You begin with an extra large shirt inside out. The second thing you want to do is you want to fold it center front. So just make sure your side seams match and your shoulder seams match. You want to take the shirt that fits you and turn that inside out. And you want to fold it center front, making sure the side seams match and the shoulders match. And then you want to lay it on top of the extra large shirt, matching the center fronts and the shoulder seams at the top. You want to trace around the smaller shirt, leaving a 1/2 inch for seam allowance. You can use chalk or a pencil. I'm using a pen. Now you can remove your shirt. Cut off the bottom band. And then start cutting around. So once you have your shirt cut out, we're going to take it over to the sewing machine and make a stitch along the side. Now you have a fitted t-shirt. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can reach me at thestyleworkshopsite.com.